Another Muggy Weld customer testimonial. Hey, MuggyWeld.com. I welded back the steering arm on the spindle of a Kubota four-wheel drive tractor with a front end loader, Kubota as well. Attached are the before and after photos of the 75 welding rod. Super impressed. My customer just called and said he'd use the front end loader, disc, and bush hog all day today. Thanks. Signed, Robert Freeman. Robert also said the man I did this job for defines work environment. He'll pressure test it to the limit. Thank you, Robert. You saved your customer downtime, which we all know is a day on the job we'll never get back. And thank you for sharing your experience with the 75 electrode for MuggyWeld.com.